Hi, welcome to bootstrapsite.com. It's a free and open source website and landing page builder using which you can create your websites very quickly and easily without any coding. So I'll give you a quick demo. There's like three ways you can create a landing page. The first is using ready-made blocks. So I have created all these blocks which you can add to your page, and you can add like a features block, like add the blocks on your page, and then you can edit them, and you don't have to know any HTML or coding. I can just add features here. If I want to add another feature, I can just go here and I can add a feature like this. And I can add as many features, and there are blocks for almost everything. As you can see, you can add comparison tables, call to actions. Apart from adding blocks, there is a much more easier way to create a landing page, step-by-step landing page creator. And how it works is you answer a few simple questions about your product or website, and based on that, it will create a nice landing page for you. So I'll show you with some sample data. So on the first step, you have to enter your website or product name and the URL for your website. Then you go to next, and then you have to just answer these questions like the value you provide. So you have to just type the USP of your product or the benefits the customers will get by using your product, and you just enter, you just type your answers here, and then you keep pressing next. And in the last step, you just select a template. And based on what you entered, a landing page you will be created from you using the template you selected in the last step. So this makes it incredibly easy. It like takes barely like 5 minutes to create a landing page like this. And then there's one more way to create a page. This is called the easy page generator. And what you have to do here is you just mix and match the blocks. Like you select which blocks you want on your page, and then you select a block design using these arrows here, or you can even randomize it. So based on the blocks that you select here, it will create a nice landing page for you. So you just select the blocks, and then you hit create page. And one thing about this editor is that like all the elements on this are basically, these are all HTML elements, and they all have their unique styles. So let's say I want to change this laptop into I want to turn this into a mobile phone. So I'll go there, I'll go to styles, and I'll just hit mobile. And now our laptop has changed into a mobile phone. I can even like convert it into a tablet or something else like a browser. So this way I can, and all the elements have their styles. So let's say I want this bold text in this feature editor. I want to like highlight it. So I can just select this heading style, and everything is point and click. So you don't have to know any CSS or HTML. Let's say I want to add a background to this element. So for that, what I'll do is I'll go to the section, then I'll go to style, and here I have all these options to add a gradient background. So I'll just select gradient, and now I have the, now I can just choose a gradient like this, and it will add a gradient. And if I want to create a nice divider like you see on a lot of sites, so I'll just go and I'll create a bottom divider, and then I can pick from all these different dividers. And it's very easy to change it. I can choose from a lot of pre-made dividers as per my style. And I can even add animations. So if I want some background animation, all I have to do is I have to enable this particle effects and then choose the animation. And it will start. You can see like this small animation going on in the background, and there are a lot of different animations you can choose from, and you can almost animate anything you like. So there are text animations. So if I want, I can just like add this typing effect using this, and then I can just like create this create this sort of typing effect. And I can, apart from that, there are also other animations you can add. So like these are some inbuilt animations which will appear when the page loads. So you can add, you can animate elements like this also. And one last thing that I want to tell you is that everything in the Bootstrap's site builder, the data and the layout is 100% separated. So let's say you have these features and you want to change the style of it. So right now it is being shown as like this zigzag format. But if you go here and if you say select feature cards, so it will the data is the same, but the layout has been totally changed, and it is now being displayed as Bootstrap cards. Or say you select this features carousel. So now your same features without any editing, they are now being shown as a carousel. All the elements of your in Bootstrap Builder have like hundreds of styles, and you can just like change how it looks in just one click. And so let me give you one more example. Let's say we have these testimonials. So there are like 100 different styles you can choose from, and you don't have to enter the data again. You can just like, there are like a lot of styles. I think there are almost 50 different testimonial sites you can choose from. So like you have picked this design and now you want to show them inside a carousel. So you just turn this option, and now your testimonials are now inside, now showing like this. So this makes it very easy to customize the website design without knowing any coding or HTML.